Hello everyone, this is Jubair Khan and you are watching Chorabi Nursing online classes. Today I will talk about the skill test because people are worrying about the skill test, how it will be, how they will be conducting the skill test. So because in future two institutes are there, they are going to conduct a skill test. One is JIPMER and another one AIIMS Patna. So people are having confusion how it will be conducted by them, how what they have to do there. So I will remove every confusion of yours. I will talk more about the JIPMER because I have studied from JIPMER. So I'll tell about the JIPMER. Same way in AIIMS Patna also it will be like this. So first let us know what is the skill test. So skill test is nothing, it is a testing your clinical skills or clinical experience which you have learnt during your course time, which whatever you have done in your course time, what you gain, what is your knowledge about that particular field, they want to assess your skill. So why it is needed? Because you are going to deal with the patient. You will be in future individual independent nursing officer, so you are going to be deal with the patients. So they want to assess your skill, whether you are able to do your work individually independently. Suppose you are posted in ICU after joining, whether you can handle patient alone. So they want to assess your skills. So how it will be assessed? So it will be assessed by 8 to 10 stations will be there. Example, in one station, one procedure they might ask you to do or perform. Okay, so like example, in first station they will ask you to assess vitals. So there will be one examiner will be there, one or two it may be. So they might ask you to do vitals. So everyone can do vitals, but there is a way. Even simple men also can check the pulse, respiration and temperature. But you as a nursing officer, how you will check? They want to assess their things. So these all so many steps are there to checking the vitals. There is a proper way, proper guidelines are there, how you will check the vitals, how you will clean the thermometer. Before checking, how you will clean the thermometer, after checking, how you will clean the thermometer, and meanwhile they will see how you will interact with the patient. So these all things comes under a skill test, not only that procedure. So I'll tell you everything in further classes. We will discuss about the one topic each day. So like another example we will take, like they will ask you to check BP. Even normal people also can check the BP. They are having digital BP apparatus, they can check by that. But as a nursing officer, how you will check the BP, how you will position the patient, how you will interact with him or her. So there is a way to check, to do any procedure, like you are going to give a medications or you are going to do any procedure. So there is a way, like they might ask you the give IM injection, they might ask you to give subcutaneous injections, so many they might ask you the sites. So there is a way to do that. IM injection you can give in deltoid or gluteal or vastus lateralis, the thing. But like you are going to that particular station, so examiner will be there, they might ask you to give IM injection. So directly you can't take the injection and give to the patients. First you should respect the examiner and you should introduce yourself to the patients, like, hello, I am Zubair Khan and I am going to do this procedure with you. So like this you have to introduce this. Everything I will tell you each steps in further classes. This is just an introduction what is the skill test. So like BP checking I told you, and injections, CVP monitoring, and one more thing that is main, CPR. So CPR also there will be dummy will be there for adult or child. So they might ask you to do chest compression, how you will do. So they will assess your skills, how you are doing in 1 minute, whether you are able to give 100 compressions or not. So like this they might assess you. Well, in other stations, solutions will be there. That is very important. Solutions like isotonic, hypertonic. So many solutions may be there. So they might ask you which one is isotonic, which one is hypertonic, which one is hypotonic, like this. And positions like dummies will be there. They might ask you to perform, put the patient on semi-Follis positions, high Follis position, left lateral positions, like this they might ask you. And one more thing I want to say to Hindi people, I am also from North India, but when you are going to JIPMER skill test, please be prepared in English, because their English is compulsory. There two languages are there, Tamil and English. So I want to suggest you be daily practice with the English, because when they will ask you to perform this, and sometimes they might ask you to explain it, so you should explain in English only. So this is the brief introduction about the skill test, how it will be. And one more thing I want to say, IO charting, intake output charting. Intake output, they might give you a chart, and they might ask you to put how much patient has taken this much fluids orally, and intravenously it has went, and the urine output 2 hours before it was, after 2 hours, like this. They might give you some data, then you have to fill it, and you have to say how much is intake, how much is output. So these are all things are there. CVP monitoring is there, how you will keep the patient, how you will monitor the CVP, central venous pressure. So these all things are there. Daily one things we will discuss. So many procedures are there. Basically fundamentals procedures we have to focus.